let's learn the flow of blood along with some mnemonics that I have. On the right side, we have LORD. To always remember that the left is associated with oxygenated blood, whereas the right is always associated with deoxygenated blood. I also have always try before you bi-mnemonic, which corresponds to tricuspid valve comes before bicuspid valve. I also have on top the steps through the flow of blood up through the heart. Now, starting with the superior and inferior vena cava, deoxygenated blood enters the right atrium through these veins. The blood then accumulates in the right atrium before contracting and pushing through the tricuspid valves, which prevents the backflow of blood into the right atrium. And after going through the tricuspid valve, deoxygenated blood enters the right ventricle for contraction to push towards the lungs through the pulmonary artery, and the pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation, as you can see. So then we move over to the left side. The left side of the heart involves the pulmonary veins. So now the oxygenated blood returns to the heart from the lungs through these veins, which then enters the left atrium. The left atrium then also is associated with the bicuspid valves, which again prevents the backflow of blood to going back to the left atrium. So from here, oxygenated blood enters the left ventricle through the bicuspid valve, and the left ventricle, which is the thickest chamber, pumps oxygenated blood through the rest of the body through the aortic valve, and the aorta is the largest artery which carries oxygenated blood to all parts of the body.